Remember this? APPP Expo is back once again. This time it will from 4th to the 7th of March. This is a global exhibition of painting signage, smart machine, retail and packaging. Wattsan will be there to present 9 machines, and one of them will be special. We will showcase the modified Wattsan M11325, 7.5 kilowatts of power with pneumatic two-change system and several motors. Aside from that, we will bring a 3 kilowatts metal cutter 1530A, a 3 kilowatts M11313 milling machine, 5-in-1 welding equipment, 2 cleaning machines with continuous and pulse lasers, and a range of laser markers with the Q switch, mobile technology, and a UV one. To read more about this model and others, click the link in the description or the pinned comment. And don't forget to claim your ticket. This event will take place at the Shanghai National Exhibition and Convention Center. We will be at Hall 7.2H, booth A0873, from the 4th to the 7th of March. This is Wattsan, my name is Leo. Join our growing community of CNC enthusiasts and business owners at this expo. See you!